So I bought my first Beamer a couple of years ago, and this is how it sounded for the last two and a half years. And mind you, all this time I was using this oil. Ridiculously expensive, not ridiculous, but quite expensive, and supposed to be good. So I was living with it. I was told that there's no solution to it, just drive it hard. I can't drive it hard because I live in the city and I can't drive it up to more than 50 kilometers per hour. So I can't solve the problem. I've lived with it for 2 years. So during this time, I bought a Mazda CX-9. And the engine was loved because it's GDI, it's got a really high compression. And I was looking at ways to solve the problem, and it was a used car where the previous owner had done lengthy oil change intervals, and I wanted to use a bit of oil just to clean the car. So I got this, so the Valvoline Restore and Protect. And I used this to clean because I wanted longevity for the engine. And interestingly, it reduce the sound of the engine, the engine noise, by quite a lot. And I saw that it improved the noise dramatically. And the Mazda CX-9 Sky Actives also have sort of this lifter tick. It's not a lifter tick, it's something else. It's the sash of the valve lift or something. But anyways, it sounds horrible. And they solved it. So I discussed this on the forums. People said yes, some people said no, some people said, hey, we've run it on our Beamers, hasn't broken down so far. So I thought, what the heck, and I used one of them. And this is how it sounds now. So this is a cold start after a couple of days. And this is how it sounds now. So if this did help in any way, give it a try. There's absolutely nothing to lose. Apparently this has got a molecule, a patented molecule that cleans up sludge and any built up carbon within the engine. So maybe that's what solved the lifter tick. It went off after maybe 5-10 minutes of driving. And now, a cold start, you just heard it. It's a absolutely cold start. There's no lifter tick at all. It's a dramatic improvement from what it was. I'm so bloody glad. I'll keep you posted on how it goes over the next 6 to 9 months. Cheers.